Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in at the Fine Group booth, SHOT Show 2018. And we have Ryan here to tell us more about some of the Rex 01 models.
Now released at the SHOT Show is the Rex Alpha. It's the next step in the Rex line of pistols. It is a competition ready, out of the box, full steel frame race gun. Okay. So they've redesigned a few things on it. We now have an extended beaver tail over a redesigned grip, wraparound, aggressive checkering in the front, undercut trigger guard, reshaped trigger. We have a flared magazine well for faster loading. We have a full 5-inch barrel on a lightning cut on the slide, fiber optic fronts, fully adjustable rear sights. And we have oversized safety, so you're not accidentally going to ride that magazine or the slide lock. It is truly a slide lock only. It is not a decocker on this model. And we did away with the decocking function. But it is still double action, single action. You still have an ambidextrous mag release, and this extension here can be placed on either side. You have a trigger pull in double action of 8.8 pounds.
That's light.
It is.
Holy smokes.
It resets to 3.3 pounds with a 2mm reset.
Nice.
Follow-up shots. Very fast, very smooth, and the weight on the bottom helps the lightning cuts on the slide. It helps for recoil. You know, the lighter parts on top. Comes with 20-round mags. These same mags as the Rex 0 series. They're all interchangeable, which is very nice.
Mm-hmm.
And we also have a model with aluminum grips. So we have red, blue, silver, gold, and black. MSRP $10.99.
Very nice.
Not bad for an out-of-the-box race gun. You don't have to do a lot of work to.
And you mentioned it's a 5-inch barrel?
True 5-inch barrel, yes. Now, if you have the aluminum grips, add an extra 100.
Okay. All right. Nice. And that double action at 8 pounds is incredible.
It is very smooth, redesigned trigger overall.
Okay.
Now, in addition to the Alpha series, we did, or RX did, introduce the Tactical Compact. So if you're familiar with the Tactical from last year, they took the compact frame, just made it RMR ready. It'll be for sale in about 4 months. It does have the 4 pre-cut plates that come with it that hold 8 different optics, 1/2x28 threaded barrel, suppressor height sights. But this model, different than the standard Tactical, has the undercut trigger guard and has a flat cut back strap to help you get a higher grip. And what I have in it is a 17-round mag with an adapter. So this adapter gives you a full-size grip on the Tactical model, so 17 or 20 rounds.
Very nice.
Operates on the exact same function as the standard or Tactical models. And I believe you've already reviewed those, so there'll be no change other than RMR cuts on the slide.
Excellent. All right. Well, I appreciate it, Ryan. You excited about these new models?
Absolutely. The Alpha is my favorite. Absolutely.
Thanks for coming and joining the guys on the channel. We really appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you watching, and you guys be safe.